With temperatures rising, it's not only important to keep yourself cool, but also your pet.
That's right. MTN's Carson Vickroy has a few tips to help keep your pet safe and cool during these dog days of summer.
To keep your best friend safe during hot conditions, you need to know what your pet's needs are based on breed and health history.
The first thing I recommend people do is kind of think about if it's appropriate for your pet to be there at all. And if it's very hot, I would stick to the early morning hours before it gets warm. Make sure to bring plenty of cool water. That recommendation will vary based on what your pet needs, but I'd say if you're bringing a certain amount of water, maybe a liter for a human, just double that if you're bringing your dog with you.
You also need to consider where your pet will be walking.
If you're going on hot surface, maybe bring booties because we see a lot of pad injuries, pad lacerations, particularly if you're going anywhere with asphalt or some metal surface or something that's dark. If it's too hot for you to stand out there with your sandals, it's probably too hot for them to stand directly with their paws.
If you have a dog that stays outside most of the day, make sure they have plenty of shade and water.
Trying to especially have the south and west shade because those are the areas where the sun is coming in most strongly. Having water available at all times.
If your pet shows signs of heat exhaustion, get them inside immediately, and if the symptoms get worse, get them to the vet right away.
If you discover all of a sudden that they seem very hot, they're panting, they're not rising, they're not acting as relaxed and happy to see you as they would be, and you've forgotten them in the car or you've forgotten them outside, then I think it's best to bring them inside and we take their temperature and see if there's something more that needs to be done.
In Bozeman, Carson Vickroy, MTN News.
Dr. Pogge also recommends to never leave your pet in the car on a sunny and hot day.